And finally, it's time to repay your investors. At the end of the day, you should begin repaying your investors once profit has been made. This is to reduce the negative impact felt by your investors after investing into your business. If you're keeping track of your outcome in your report, you could include a section compiling the feedback of your investors. Feedback and testimonials help boosting other investors' confidence to invest in your business. It's imperative to repay your investors over the money what they have provided you. Ask yourself, what do you think would happen if you fail to reach the standards you've set up with your investors? What would happen if you do reach it and delayed their share of the profit? How will that reflect on your business opportunities in the future? It's simply because no one would want to do business with an incompatible figure. Your reputation is at stake. Surely, you want to retain the connections you gained with your investors. They're the ones that will help you in your future business planning. In the next video, we'll be discussing how to scale and quadruple your income by using the capital you raised in this phase.